What's going on? It's Platinum Gaming here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a PNG in under a minute. It is super easy. The app you need is PixArt. It's free. It's for Android and iOS. And jump right in the video, but before I do start, don't forget to join my Discord link. It is down in the description. It's a new server that I made. And also my social links should be on the screen, popping up somewhere here, but let's just jump right into it. First, you guys want to search up what player you want. I already have my Lamar Jackson thing, but whatever you guys want to search up of what player. Next, you guys want to open up PixArt here, the app that I told you about. Once it is loaded, press the plus button and to start edit. So that's the Lamar Jackson photo that I downloaded or whatever. And then scroll on this little bar right here and go to cutout right here and press on person on the bottom, and that should take away the background for you guys. And you press the preview button right here. It has like a little eye icon or something like that, and you can basically see how the app did it for you. So I know the edges are not that good, but you guys can obviously change that. But honestly, the edges aren't really big problem. Yeah, you could easily just blend them in with like a background color or something like that, but just easily fix up the spots that are very like noticeable. Be right back with the finished PNG. There we go, guys. I think that's finished up for me, and you just press save right in the top corner, and there you go. You guys have your own PNG. You can save it whatever. You can add the glow on the background, obviously in a different app. And yeah, that's basically it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and peace.